In today's video, I'll show you how to create form in Typeform. Typeform forms feel more like a conversation than a boring survey, and you can build one in about a minute without touching a single design tool. Let's jump in. Start on your Typeform dashboard and click the Create Form button in the top left corner. Typeform opens with its AI assistant and a simple question: what would you like to create? This is the fastest way to build a form, because instead of dragging fields around one at a time, you just describe what you need in plain English. Here I want a simple contact form asking for name, email, and message. Now click the send arrow and Typeform gets to work. Give it a few seconds here. Behind the scenes, it's picking the right question types for you, so it knows an email address needs an email field rather than a plain text box, and a message needs a longer text area. And there it is. Typeform suggested a welcome screen plus 3 questions. What is your name? What is your email address? And how can we help you? You can review this list before committing to anything. If it looks good, click Create Form to build it. Now you're in the real editor. Every question the AI generated is here in the left panel, and you can click any one of them to tweak the wording, change the question type, or make it required. When the form looks right, click Share at the top. This is where Typeform gives you a live link to your form. You can copy that link and send it to anyone, generate a QR code for print, or grab the embed code to drop the form straight onto your website or into an email. So that's it. Click Create Form, describe what you want, let the AI build it, then hit Share to get your link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.